Hey guys, rise and shine. It's Friday, March 20th. And I don't know about you guys, but this has been a super fast week. All right, so I'm going to be as brief as possible. I'm going to show you what we're doing today. And then the last thing is I've got a couple of things I want to talk at you about. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on the Language Arts 7C course card. Now, once we get there, we're going to go ahead and scroll down. Find Freak the Mighty, Lesson 9, Friday Learning. It is published and it's ready to go. So once we're in here, you've got 3 tasks. Number 1 is read the learning targets, so you know your essential standards, very important. And then task 2, read chapters 14 and 15. And if you don't know where to find the novel or you forgot, remember, you just exit out of here and you would go back to the resources page, click on resources at the top of the screen, and then voila, there it is. Just like magic, right? Okay, I'm going to click the back arrow and go back to where we just were so I can finish your instructions. So once again, Freak the Mighty, Lesson 9, Friday Learning. So you've got to read those 2 chapters, and then once you're done, you're going to take this quiz, which is based on chapters 9 through 15. Okay, so this is covering all the chapters we've read most recently, and I'm going to ask that you be responsible and make sure to click submit when you're done. There is not a timer set today. I did not set a timer because we had about 15-20 kids lock themselves out yesterday, and I don't want to have that happen again. So what I'm going to ask you to do is just to make sure you click submit, so I'm not shutting it automatically for you. Okay, should give you as much time as you need, but keep in mind the due date is today. Like I told you guys through announcements, you are going to be tracked. Your citizenship is going to be tracked through whether or not you're turning things on time and you're taking responsibility. I also expect that you're going to self-advocate. That means if you've got a question or you've got a challenge in front of you, you don't need to break down and get all frustrated and let those tears flow, okay? Go ahead and just send me an email, shoot me an email, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Now, I'm going to be available until about 3 o'clock today. So please make sure to reach out to me and let me know if you have questions or concerns. If you shoot me an email after 3, I may or may not respond to it. Just keep in mind that when we get off for the weekend, we're all off, and I understand we're going through a transition, so I will be here to support you the best I can, but you might need to give me a little more time to get back to you. Okay? All right. Other than that, you guys are doing great work, and I've been very impressed. If you have not checked out your score and your feedback in Canvas, please go back and take a look at that. I did spend a lot of time yesterday doing that, and it's for your benefit, okay? So please make sure to check your feedback. And once again, if you have questions or concerns, reach out to me. Make sure you hold to these due dates, because once these things are locked, I'm going to ask that they stay locked because we have way too much coming in. Okay, thanks for your time, and when you guys come back Monday, we'll be doing ReadWorks again and continuing the Run series. Okay, you guys are awesome. Thank you. Have a great weekend.